Hi, my name is Mark and I'd like to show you around our Ford Transit medium wheelbase high roof panel van complete with onboard compressor generator. This is a 2008 model and it's got 124,000 miles on the speedo. It comes with full service history and has had one owner. So look inside the cab area, you can see it's clean and tidy, no signs of any rips or tears on the seats. Benefits from having a tow hitch rear step, and it's got the generator inside ready for work. It's also got the bulkhead and has been lined inside. Inside the engine bay of our Ford Transit. It's a very clean engine, as it has had one owner, has been thoroughly looked after, it's been well maintained, and the fluid levels are correct to where they need to be. I've had a look around the engine, there's no signs of any oil leaks. So now on to the final part of the video appraisal, the road test of our Ford Transit van, where I'm going to be testing the gears, the steering and the brakes. So into first and off we go. We're going to try and get up to 60 miles an hour if we can. It's got the 5-speed gearbox, the 100 brake horsepower engine. So this van does come with full service history and where it's had one owner from new. It's got electric windows, it's got the CD player, and it's ready for work. I'm up to 60 miles an hour. As you can see, I've gone through the gears really nicely. Take my hand off the wheel, there's no pulling. Give the steering a quick shake, it's very responsive. Then on approach to the roundabout, using the brakes. Brakes are nice and sharp, once again, no pulling. And that concludes the video appraisal on our Ford Transit van. Thank you very much for watching this video.